Welcome, my name is Jarvis and today I'm making an unboxing video on these little guys. My hope is that the NuraLoop will replace my current reference set of headphones and my AirPods and combine the best of both worlds. So if they can live up to that promise, these will be pretty cool. I do have some heavy criticisms about the design. That's what we're going to cover in this video, is the design and packaging of the box, the presentation of the box. I think this box was clearly intended for a high-end retailer. This looks quite at home on the shelf of the Apple Store. My issue with it, however, is this smiley face. I think this was done intentionally to be cute. I don't know that from across the room on the shelf with all the other headphones, I'm gonna immediately know what this is. I also think that the smiley face kind of takes it down out of the high-end audio, and it looks like it's a product that was designed for kids to me. I'm not a fan of this packaging. Back look is okay. If this was on the shelf next to the other headphones, I think I would gravitate to this just fine. This to me looks like it's a toy made for kids. So let's get into the cellophane and start to break this open a little bit. After the cellophane, we've got a tab on the side. And again, this is pretty typical of boxes that I see coming from China, DJI, and all the other equipment that I've seen. I do like the presentation once we open the box this way. I think the instructions here are pretty clear. Immediately we see the product. We have a tab here to get the product out of the box. This design looks great. I don't have any issue with that at all. So very clear instructions on how to get it out. Push these through. And then we're going to pull these around. Pretty good looking. I don't have any issue with the look of these. The design itself is maybe a little dated. I do have some issues when we get further into the box that I'll talk about. Medium is already on the buds themselves. So this is one of the first things that I have issue with. We have a proprietary cable for charging, which is a huge issue. Your headphones are basically garbage if you were to lose this cable. It's going to snap on, kind of like a MagSafe adapter. But without this cable, if that gets lost, you're out of luck. I don't know why we couldn't have put a standard USB-C. Decent length. That looks pretty good. But again, proprietary connection. This is garbage. This for me is going to be one of those cables that gets lost in a box. 2 years later, I'm going to find it and go, what in the world does this even connect to? Not a fan.
I'll see you in the next video.